Jed, you're trying to say to this committee that the reason why your name was included in the narco list of the former administration is that it is because purely of politics. Dahil po ba kayo ay hindi sumuporta noong 2016? Yung po ba ang sinasabi ninyo dito sa komitiba na sa tingin ninyo, sa opinion mo, kaya ikaw bineltahan, ikaw ang binilikan, nilagay ka sa narco list dahil hindi ka sumuporta noong during the 2016 presidential elections? Ganun po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi ang resulta po, Your Honor, ng elections na yon, President Rodrigo Duterte got only po 13.7% in the total number of votes in Iloilo City, which is his lowest percentage votes
Sino po
all
ba
over the
nanalong
country.
presidential candidate doon sa Iloilo at that time?
Your Honor, si Manuel Rojas po.